it seems safe to say we have broken the pattern of our slow start into the season. Like, we're into summer now.
People are still like talking about it though. I don't know why, or maybe just to me.
It had a big impact.
It did
on a lot of people.
Yeah, it was. I mean, it was tough. We've broken it. I think we've had several weekends now. We had one Saturday a couple weeks ago that was a little, but going forward, looking forward. That's where I want to be.
This is the new pattern.
Right. Yeah.
Here we go.
I like that. I'm still awaiting word from the National Weather Service as to why we have lost so many temperature sensors over the last couple of days. So we have kind of limited data, but I can tell you that it is quite humid, obviously, across most of the state. You can see clearly where that front is. Look at Holton, points north, dew points in the 50s, south of it 70 or so. That'll be a factor tonight as we stay very mild and humid. Showers and storms, a lot of lightning there in the Northeast Kingdom of Vermont. And coming out of Canada into the mountains here, we have some showers and storms too. Most of these will stay in the higher terrain, but we do have a few that have moved across parts of central and northern Maine. Just kind of thunder showers. We had one severe storm earlier that petered out as it moved across northern Washington County. I don't think there's a lot of that around though. And really the story tonight is that it's going to be very mild. And we're going to talk more about the context of that in a second, but most of southern Maine I think will be 70 plus all night tonight with high dew points. So in mid 70s even in the middle of the night. That's where we start tomorrow. So we're pretty mild, we're still sticky. There's more cloud cover though. That front is slowly moving from about Holton and Millinocket down south, and with it more clouds and some scattered showers. Not a ton of rain tomorrow, but there will be some scattered showers. Southern Maine will quickly move into the low to mid 80s, and then those showers and storms will pop up in the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock. Kind of, it looks like settling a bit into the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine, but again, it's not a rainy afternoon. Meanwhile, that drier air is slowly filtering down from Aroostook County down to about Bangor, probably by early in the morning on Wednesday. And then Wednesday is the day you really feel that change. We start with some clouds, slightly lower dew points, but by Wednesday afternoon, we dry out, the clouds evaporate with it, and it's a really nice, almost crisp late afternoon here on Wednesday, and that sets the tone for Thursday and Friday too, with lower temperatures, lower dew points as well. Just to put some context on this, if we stay over 70 all night tonight, so minimum temperature, low temperature of 70, we only average one of those a summer, and 40 out of the 85 summers on record here, we have none of those nights. So it is really quite unusual to have temperatures this warm overnight. Our highest summer, the most number we had in one summer, was 9 nights in 2020, and I remember that stretch was really, really sticky. Pop-up showers and storms on Thursday afternoon. Not a lot of actual rain here though, guys, and I want to really stress that because this is definitely one of those weeks where if you look at an app, other than our Great News Center Maine app, of course, it will look like a lot of rain, and it really isn't. It's just a chance for showers Thursday, Friday, for example. But I think most of the day there is dry. At this point, the weekend looks dry as well, which is going to be nice, right around 80, maybe a little bit warmer on Saturday. I always like to be able to start low, go the other way if we can.
Yep.
From there, we have another new episode of Weather Weenies that'll be dropping at the bottom of the hour tonight. Sam and I talk about all things meteorological, plus a hair-raising email that I recently got from some fans. And it said, hey Keith, we love you since you first came to Maine. It's sweet.
That's nice.
Always our favorite weatherman.
Obviously.
With affection and respect. That transition right there, nothing good is coming after it. But then it says, please consider losing the rug. It really doesn't suit you. So we jumped from,
Oh my.
what I loved most about that was it wasn't even a question.
No,
It
you just said lose it.
Like a statement of fact. So, if the time came, when the time comes, would I actually get a toupee? Find out in a few minutes on New Center Maine Plus. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV. Sam was gracious enough to be a guest today. So
I noticed she didn't argue the comment.
No.
She
She
did.
just sat there very silent.
Very little positive
Yeah.
support.
You look great.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll
yeah.
leave it there.
I'm glad.
Thanks,
all tonight.
Keith.